Consider the meter bridge shown in the diagram. Let the resistance X have a temperature coefficient alpha 1 and resistance RB have the temperature coefficient alpha 2. Okay, RB is on the right hand side. Okay. So let the reading on the meter scale be 10 centimeter from the LHS. If the temperature of the two resistance increases by small temperature delta T, then what is the shift in the null point of the shift in the position of the null point? Neglect all the other changes in the bridge due to the rise in temperature. First of all, understand that for any given resistance, alpha 1 and alpha 2 are very small values. Okay? If you calculate for any resistance alpha 1 and alpha 2, it will be in the factor of 10⁻⁵. और यहाँ पे resistance जो है वो यहाँ पे है 9 ohm and whatever may be the value of x, we will find out the value of x later. But as compared to the value of x over here, okay, यहाँ पे अगर if I consider over here alpha 1 and alpha 2 are in the factors of 10⁻⁵. Let us calculate the original value of x, okay, at the given temperature. So I can say that x by 9 for the meter bridge, it will be equal to L1 divided by 100 minus L1. L1 यहाँ पे 10 है, so it will be equal to 10 divided by 100 minus L1, which is equal to 90, which is equal to 1 by n. Okay, which is equal to 1 by n over here. Okay, so x यहाँ पे if I calculate the value, okay, 9 and 9 will get cancelled out over here, x will be equal to 1. ठीक है. Now what will be the after a change of delta t, after a rise of delta t in temperature, पहले वाले का रेसिस्टेंस क्या हो जाएगा? लेट इट बी एक्स डैश विच इज इक्वल टू एक्स 1 प्लस अल्फ़ा डेल्टा टी. ओके, इट विल बी इक्वल टू 1 प्लस अल्फ़ा डेल्टा टी. तो अब यहाँ पे एक्स का वैल्यू तो 1 है, इट विल बी इक्वल टू 1 प्लस अल्फ़ा डेल्टा टी. ओके, या अल्फ़ा 1 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. एंड सिमिलरली फॉर लेट अस से द रेसिस्टेंस आफ्टर सर्टन टाइम लेट इट बी इक्वल टू आर. इट विल बी इक्वल टू द ओरिजिनल वॉज 9 1 plus alpha 2 delta t. ओके, सो विच इज इक्वल टू आर विल बी इक्वल टू, और आर डैश ले लेते हैं. ठीक है, ओरिजिनल रेसिस्टेंस आर ले लेते हैं. आफ्टर डेल्टा टी राइज इन टेम्परेचर लेट अस टेक इट दिस एज आर डैश. सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू 9 plus 9 alpha 2 delta t. Okay, we have to find out the shift in the null point over here. Okay, let us say after the rise in temperature, the null point arrives somewhere over here at a distance x. ठीक है, at a distance x, the null point arrives somewhere over here at a distance x. So I can say that over here x dash divided by r dash will be equal to x divided by 100 minus x. Okay, and we have to find out the value of x. अब ये थोड़ा सा ये यहाँ पे बड़ा रहने वाला है. Okay, the equation will be very large. So 1 plus alpha 1 delta t divided by 9 plus, or I can take 9 common, 1 plus alpha 2 delta t, okay, will be equal to x divided by 100 minus x. If I cross multiply over here, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 100 plus 100 times alpha 1 delta t, okay, minus, okay, it will be equal to x plus, और I can let the x factor be as it is. okay, यहाँ पे x का फैक्टर हम लोग को ऐसे ही रख देते हैं. okay, so it will be equal to x 1 plus alpha 1 delta t, it will be equal to 9x. okay, it will be equal to 9x 1 plus alpha 2 delta t. okay, this will be the equation over here. okay, it will be equal to 9x 1 plus alpha 2 delta t. okay, so 100 plus 100 alpha 1 delta t, it will be equal to, I will shift this term on the right hand side. okay, it will be equal to x common, it will be equal to 9 plus 9 alpha 2 delta t, it will be equal to plus 1. okay, it will be equal to plus 1 over here plus alpha 1 delta t. okay, this will be the factor. So if I calculate this value, x will be common, 9 plus 1 which is equal to 10 plus, okay, 10 plus, it will be equal to delta t, it will be common, 9 alpha 2 plus alpha 1. okay, 9 alpha 2 plus alpha 1. okay, it will be equal to 100 plus this part. okay, so 100 plus, or I can take 100 common over here, 1 plus, it will be equal to 1 plus alpha 1 delta t. okay, so now over here x will be equal to 100 1 plus alpha 1 delta t divided by 10 plus delta t 9 alpha 2 plus alpha 1. okay, ये x आ गया. Now what have they asked is over here they have asked is what is the shift in the null point. If you read the question, okay, what is the shift in the null point. Okay, we have to calculate the shift in the null point. तो ओरिजिनल 10 पे था, बाद में ये वैल्यू पे आया. सो आई कैन से दैट डेल्टा x, that is the shift over here, will be equal to x minus 10, which will be equal to the same factor minus 10. So 100 1 plus alpha 1 delta t, okay, divided by 10 plus delta t 9 alpha 2 plus alpha 1. यहाँ पे अगर -1 कर लिया, यहाँ पे -10 कर लिया, so it will be minus 10 times, okay, 10 plus delta t, okay, 9 alpha 2 plus alpha 1, okay, 9 alpha 2 minus plus alpha 1 over here. It will be equal to over here 100, okay, it will be equal to 100, okay, over here, or I can take 10 common, okay, I can take 10 common. It will be equal to 10 plus 10 alpha 1 delta t, okay, 10 alpha 1 delta t minus over here it will be equal to 10, okay, this part will be over here, this part over here will be equal to it will be equal to minus delta 9 alpha 2 delta t, okay, minus 9 alpha 1, okay, into delta t, okay, divided by this whole factor, that is equal to the whole factor at the bottom will be equal to, or at the denominator it will be equal to 10 plus delta t 9 alpha 2 plus alpha 1, okay. Let this factor be as it is, okay, let this factor be as it is. Now understand that plus 10 and minus 10 will get cancelled out from here, okay. So it will be equal to if I calculate this value, it will be equal to 10 alpha 1 delta t, okay, minus over here it is equal to the 9 factor will not be present over here, okay. So it will be equal to 10 alpha 1 delta t minus alpha 1 delta t, which is equal to 9 alpha 1 10 times, okay, this 10 is common, 9 alpha 1 delta t, okay, minus 9 alpha 2 delta t, okay, we are close to the answer over here, divided by 10, okay, 10 plus delta t, okay, 10 plus delta t into 9 alpha 2 plus alpha 1, okay, plus alpha 1 over here, okay. I can take delta t common and 9 common over here, it will be equal to 9, okay, it will be equal to, if I take delta t common it will get cancelled out in the denominator, it will be 10 divided by delta t, okay, in the denominator it will be equal to 10 divided by delta t. So if I take delta t common over here, it will be equal to 9 into 10 over here, okay, 9 into 10, okay, it will be equal to alpha 1 minus alpha 2, okay, divided by this factor over here will be equal to 10 divided by delta t plus it will be equal to 9 alpha 2 plus alpha 1, okay. So let us see the answer and let us calculate the answer over here. So the correct option over here is, if you see the final answer over here is in terms of 9 alpha 1 alpha 2 and delta t over here, okay. So so first of all understand that, okay, alpha 2 alpha 1 and delta t all are very small factors, okay, alpha 2 alpha 1 and alpha 2 alpha 1 and delta t are all small factors over here. So first of all let us calculate for alpha 1 and alpha 2. If I add anything to 10 divided by delta t, let us assume that delta t is a very small factor, that is delta t is approximately, let us say, is a very small as compared to the resistance, let us say it is equal to 0.01, okay, delta t, let us say it is equal to 0.01 over here. So 10 divided by 0.01 will give me a very large factor, and alpha 2, 9 times alpha 2 and alpha 1, I have already said that alpha 1 and alpha 2 is approximately in terms of 10 raised to minus 5. So if I add 10 raised to minus 5 will be equal to 0.00001, ठीक है. If I add to 1000 तो यहाँ पे कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, okay. If I add 1000, if I add this to 1000 or not, it will not make any difference. So this factor will get cancelled out or neglected over here. So the only term remaining over here is 9 into 10 into alpha 1 minus alpha 2 divided by 10 divided by delta t, okay, 10 divided by delta t, 10 and 10 will get cancelled out. So it will go in the numerator, 9 times alpha 1 minus alpha 2 into delta t, okay, 9 minus alpha 1 9 alpha 1 minus alpha 2 into delta t, which is over here, if I consider which is option number A,